Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to turn off safe search mode on Google using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Google Chrome and now just go ahead and search for anything. Okay, so I'm just going to type a random word or letters. Okay, so now as you can see here, safe search is on. Okay. So if to turn that off, you want to click on it. And now just go ahead and toggle the switch off. And now the safe search is now off. Okay. And now what you can also do is to open a new tab and click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Okay. Now click on settings, click on privacy and security, and choose security. Okay. And now just go ahead and choose the standard protection. Okay. And now that is how you turn off safe search mode on Google. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.